Good afternoon. You are calling Sunset's Restaurant. How can I assist you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for this Saturday evening.
Certainly. For how many people?
2 people.
And what time would you like?
Around 7 p.m.
Let me check. Yes, we have a table available at 7 p.m. May I have your name, please?
Sure, it's Thomas.
Thank you, Thomas. Do you have any special requests, like a high chair or a quiet area?
A quiet area would be great, thank you.
Noted. Your reservation for 2 at 7 p.m. this Saturday is confirmed.
Thanks so much. See you then.
Good evening. Can I start you off with some drinks?
I'll have a lemonade, please.
Just water for me.
Lemonade and water. Got it. Have you decided what to order?
Not yet. Could you tell me more about the special today?
Of course. Our special is grilled salmon served with garlic mashed potatoes and steamed asparagus.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
And I'd like the chicken parmesan with a side salad.
Great choice. Would you like any appetizers to start?
Yes, let's share the bruschetta.
Perfect. I'll get those started for you.
Excuse me, could you come over for a moment?
How can I assist you?
My salmon is a little undercooked. Could you have it cooked a bit more?
I'm so sorry about that. I'll take it back to the kitchen and have it fixed right away.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Of course. And how about you, madam? Is everything to your liking?
Everything is perfect. The chicken parmesan is absolutely delicious. Compliments to the chef.
That's wonderful to hear. I'll bring the salmon back shortly. Would you like some bread while you wait?
That would be nice, thank you. Excuse me, could we get the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right over. Here's your bill. I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Everything was excellent, except for the small issue with the salmon earlier, but it was fixed perfectly. Thank you.
I'm glad we could make it right. Can I split the bill for you?
Yes, I'll pay for the bruschetta and the grilled salmon.
And I'll cover the chicken parmesan and drinks.
Got it. Here are your separate checks. Would you like to leave a tip on the card?
Yes, please add 15%.
Same for me, 15%.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful evening, and we hope to see you again soon.
We definitely will. Good night.
Good night.